NEEWER F700 hands-on, touchscreen plus 4K loop-out that feels pro.
Be honest, how many times have you missed the perfect shot because you couldn't see your camera screen in the sun? I was filming a beach proposal last month and literally guessing exposure like a rookie. Then I slapped the NEEWER F700 on my rig and everything changed. Comment guilty if you've been there too.
Now imagine that harsh midday glare hitting your face, but your monitor stays crystal clear, like someone turned the sun down just for you. No more squinting, no more guessing, no more "I'll fix it in post," just pure, confident control over every frame, without adding bulk or drama to your setup. Say hello to the NEEWER F700, the 7-inch 2000 nit field monitor that finally makes outdoor shooting feel fair. We're talking real, daylight-viewable brightness with auto sensor boost, responsive touchscreen that actually works with gloves, 4K HDMI loop-through so you never break your signal chain, and pro tools like false color, waveform, vectorscope, and peaking that nail exposure and focus every single take. Last week I was directing a corporate shoot on a rooftop at noon. Client breathing down my neck, sun blasting. I pinched to zoom on the F700, saw the peaking glow red on her eyes, adjusted, and nailed the shot in one take. The built-in cooling fans kept it ice cool after 6 hours, and the MP-F5 battery plate ran my A7S III all day off one brick. This isn't another dim toy. It's the monitor that finally respects your craft.
Still think high brightness means washed out colors or fan noise ruin your audio? Wrong. A respected cinematography reviewer said it best. The 2000 nits on the F700 are legit. I framed shots in direct desert sun without the hood. A run-and-gun YouTuber told his 300K subs he now refuses to shoot without it because the touchscreen peaking is faster than buttons. An industry analyst called it the disruption the mid-range monitor market desperately needed. Wedding shooters are saying they finally see skin tones accurately at 2 p.m. ceremonies. I thought the fans would annoy me. Set them to low, and my shotgun mic never hears a thing. Yes, it's brighter and more featured than monitors twice the price, but it still uses the same NPF batteries you already own. See why thousands of hybrid shooters and indie filmmakers can't stop talking about the NEEWER F700. Which feature would save your next shoot? Pinch to zoom focus? Or false color that actually works outdoors? Tell me below.
If you're tired of guessing exposure, missing focus, or frying your eyes outdoors, the NEEWER F700 is the upgrade your rig has been begging for. Join the indie filmmakers, wedding shooters, and run-and-gun creators already seeing sharper, better exposed footage every single day. 2000 nits of real sunlight power, pro tools that work, touchscreen that feels premium. Just tap the link below and see why this is the outdoor field monitor everyone's switching to right now. No hype, just ridiculously good shots waiting for you.